Hi, Jody with Naturally Jody, here again at the nursery talking about butterfly bushes. Lots of different colors can come in those: whites, light pinks, magenta colors, and then of course your purples, ranging in a lavender, pale purple, to a deep dark, like the purple emperor that they show here. Another thing to think about with butterfly bush is they have some narrower leaves and they have a larger, wider leaf. Heights do change, again, anywhere from the 3 to 4 foot range, all the way up to the 8 foot range. The royal red is an excellent dark red magenta color, and a little bit taller if you have the space for it. And Miss Molly is a smaller variety, only topping out at 6 feet, smaller depending on your terms, but again, a great magenta color. Butterfly bushes are what they are. The butterflies love them. If you're seeking a butterfly garden, it's an excellent one to have in there to give you some height and fullness in your garden.